In the name of Allah, who is most kind and ever merciful, Honorable Chief Guest, respected President, and all of my listeners, Assalamu alaikum. I am Hania Humayun from the platform of Royal Debating and Counseling Club, and today the topic on which I have to speak on is Our Guide, Our Hero. According to Romani Rolland, a hero is a man who does what he can. There are so many great personalities, but a person who is considered as hero or who gives the exact meanings of definition of hero is Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. He is not only a man, but a whole institution of truth, honesty and sincerity. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah was a highly educated person. He started his early education from Sindh Madrasatul Islam in Karachi. He further took his studies from a school in Bombay named Gokal Das Tejpal, and for higher studies he preferred the high quality education of England. So in this regard, he took his Bachelor degree from Lincoln's in London. The leadership qualities of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah was appreciated by all. After the completion of his higher education, he came back to his country and started legal practice. He was a member of Imperial Legislative Council for 10 years. He joined Congress. It was a time when Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah was a follower of two-nation theory. He wished that Hindus and Muslims should work simultaneously without any dispute and opposition. But soon he realized that Hindus are working only for their own benefits. They don't have enough room for Muslims. So he left Congress without any wastage of time and joined Muslim League, where he worked only for the benefits of Muslims by organizing different sessions like Roundtable Conference, Lucknow's Mission and Lahore Resolution. It was he who, from his tireless effort and dedication, made the Muslims active and resulted in the formation of Pakistan. According to Bob Dylan, a hero is someone who understands the responsibility that comes with freedom, and our guide proved that and provide us a separate, independent homeland. So it's all from my side. Thank you so much for listening. Allah Hafiz.